Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna bring you classic fish gratin. Follow me if you want to know how I'm gonna do this tasty, delicious fish gratin. Guys, look how beautiful it looks. Look at the mini prawns and the dill on top. And here are the ingredients for the fish gratin. We're gonna cook the potatoes, make the sauce. So stay tuned. I am going to use salmon, but you can use any fish fillet of your choice. I have already removed the skin from the fish, clean it very well, and then cut them to the sizes that I want, but not very thick slices. I now add salt and white pepper to the salmon and then leave it to marinate for about 25 to 30 minutes. And these are all the ingredients we're gonna use for the fish gratin. Look how beautiful they look. I have salad, dill, tomatoes, flour, eggs, potatoes, cucumber, mini cooked prawns, butter and milk, vegetable broth, and etc. So stay tuned and let's begin with the cooking. I'm going to start by cooking the potatoes. If you want, you can peel the skin or cook it together with the skin and then peel it later on. Don't forget to add salt in the water and then add in the potatoes and then leave it to cook for 20 minutes until they are cooked. I'm almost done with the potatoes. They are already cooked, and then we remove it from the heat, peel them and then mash them, or use a potato presser and press the potatoes like I'm doing right now. After all that, you add in enough butter of your choice. Mix it together until the butter is melted. I'm now going to start by adding in milk, but bit by bit, so you will get a beautiful consistency. Then add in a pinch of white pepper with 2 egg yolks. Then mix everything together until everything is combined. And then get your oven bowl ready. Now transfer the potato in the oven bowl like I'm doing right now, and make sure that you create a space in the middle for the salmon fish. After all that, you start by laying the fish slices into the bowl like I'm doing right now until you reach almost the top. We have to leave a space for the sauce also. After doing that, we're gonna start by making the sauce. Add in 25 grams of butter in your cooking pot. See that it's melted, and then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of flour. All-purpose flour would be fine. After adding in the flour, stir until everything is dissolved. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable broth, and then 75 milliliters of water plus 150 milliliters of milk. And then we return it back to the heat and start stirring until you have a thick consistency. Stir, stir and stir until you have a beautiful thick consistency. Whilst the sauce is getting thick, reduce the heat and then take a handful of dill and then finely chop like I'm doing right now. After chopping the dill finely, then we return back to the sauce. I am now happy with the consistency of the sauce. So I'm now going to add in 1 cup of whipping cream. And then continue mixing. Until everything is mixed together. I'm now going to use a grater and grate the skin of the lemon. We need just half tablespoon of lemon zest. After doing all that, we're now going to add 1 tablespoon of dill and then half teaspoon of lemon zest into the sauce. And then continue stirring. Look at that, look how beautiful it looks, and it's gonna taste so good, I'm telling you guys. After everything is mixed up, we're gonna add in some seasoning. We add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and then just a sprinkle of white pepper. Be careful with seasoning or salt because we've added in broth already and the broth is a little bit salty, so it won't be too much. So if you need more seasoning, you can add in, it's up to you, but make sure that you give it a taste before adding in more seasoning. We now get back to the potatoes and the salmon fish. Use the fork just to decorate, to give it a beautiful look before putting it into the oven like I'm doing right now. And then make sure that everything is equal level so that it will look nice. We're now going to add the sauce on top until the salmon fish is covered. Wow, this is looking great already. We're now going to put it in a preheated oven in 180 degrees for just 30 minutes. And then we have already our salad and everything ready for serving. After 30 minutes, we're gonna bring out our potato gratin. Look how beautiful it looks. Wow, it's smelling so good. And now before serving, let me show you the secret. Pomegranate syrup is so good with salad, guys. I'm telling you, just try it and then you comment and let me know how you feel and how it tasted and whether you like it or not. Let me know. I tasted pomegranate syrup from one of my co-workers, and from that day up to this day, I just can't stop. I'm now going to add the mini cooked prawns on top of the fish gratin before serving. Look how beautiful it looks. It's gonna taste so good. And then we decorate with dill, chopped dill on top. Add as much as you want to. The dill is gonna take it to another level. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. And we are now going to serve. Wow. This is gonna be absolutely tasty. It looks really good, guys, isn't it? We now sprinkle some of the pomegranate syrup on top of the salad. And then what else? It's time to eat. You're all invited. Guys, this is a good lunch, guys. What do you think about my cooking, guys? Comment in the comment box. Let me know what you feel. Thank you for watching my videos, and this is all what I have for you today, from my kitchen to your kitchen. See you next week in another edition. And if you want to see the full video, you can check me out in https:/jestinaskitchen.com, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So take care of yourselves. Bye. See you next week in another edition.